Last Monday, we actually forecasted a bearish USD JPY, particularly for the reason that we are looking for an interest rate cut this coming. It's actually later on in our area, so we're looking for a more bearish tone with USD JPY. So if you're gonna go to our website, FinLogic's website, and we are now pricing in a 25 basis points of cut. So with this regard, as I mentioned, we are looking for a more downside move with the USD JPY. And actually, this was the previous forecast, and it's kind of blurry. But if you're gonna review this previous forecast last Monday, you'd be able to see how we mapped out the potential move of the USD-JPY. And I also mentioned in this webinar that I'm expecting, or I'm leaning towards to a more bearish stance with regards to the USD-JPY. And as we're seeing right now with the charts, ahead of the Fed interest rate decision, USD-JPY already slid down until the targets that we have plotted, the 146.5 levels. And I'm actually looking for a more downside move until we hit this 146.200 levels. So for forecast ahead of the Fed, looking at the 4-hour chart right now, I'd like to see a 15-minute reaction on this level. So I'd like to see this kind of pattern later on. Or if ever that the tone with regards to the Fed, especially for the Fed press conference, if it might shift to a hawkish stance, we might see a breakout, and this could potentially act as a support, this 4-hour fair value gap. So this is what I'm expecting in the markets later on. But again, take everything with a grain of salt, and I highly suggest observe what the market will show you later on. So for more information or for more materials, you can go to our website, ACY Securities, go to the Learn tab, and you can check out all the contents that we have here in this space.